Hey there. In this video, we're going to learn the basic filter tool in Excel. Filter is one of the most useful tools in Excel. Basically, what is filter? It's picking what you need from the dataset. To explain this further, I'm going to use a simple dataset on animals. Let's say we want to have a look at mammals alone and remove all the other types of animals like birds and reptiles. To achieve this, we might have to use the filter option. How do we do that? I'm clicking one of the column headers, navigating to Data tab. Here I see a little funnel which says Filter. When you click on the Filter button, you will see tiny drop downs have come up on the column headers. Now our objective is to look at only mammals, and mammals come under Type, which is in the B column. So I'm going to click on the drop down on Type and select All, select Mammal, click OK. Now if you notice, we're seeing only mammals. We're not seeing birds, we're not seeing reptiles. Now let's say I want to further drill down and see mammals whose habitat is in grassland. I am hitting on the habitat drop down and selecting all and selecting grassland alone. Click on OK. Now you see we are looking at mammals whose habitat is grassland. Now I have more requirement. I want to include forest as well. I can click on the same drop down and select forest along with grassland. Hit OK. Now we are looking at mammals whose habitats are both grassland and forest. If you want to remove the filter from habitat, you can go to the drop down and hit clear filter from the column name. And if you want to remove the filter from the entire data set, you can go to the Data tab. Right next to the funnel, you will see the clear option. If you click on it, you will have all the filters removed, but the drop downs remain there. If you want to remove the drop downs as well, you can click on the filter funnel and you have the filters removed altogether. I hope you guys will be trying this. Please do share your thoughts and experiences. If you do have any queries, please let me know on the comments. Thank you so much.